There's a certain type of woman a man never truly forgets. Not because she's the most attractive in the room, not because she plays games, but because she does three very specific things. Three things that stay in his mind long after things end, or even if they never really began. If you're an older woman wondering how to stand out and become someone he remembers, you're in the right place. Let's break down the psychology, real examples, and the exact steps that make a woman unforgettable. First, why do men forget some women so easily? Here's the hard truth. Many women, especially older ones, tend to blend in when it comes to modern dating. Not because they aren't amazing, but because they've lost touch with what actually creates a lasting impression. This is what usually happens. They focus on being nice, hoping kindness alone will hold his attention. They try to stay low maintenance so they don't seem like a burden. They ignore their own needs, believing sacrifice equals love, and still he drifts away. Because being easygoing, agreeable, or drama-free doesn't always leave a strong emotional mark. And for older women today, it's even more challenging. Why? Because dating apps and fast digital culture have created emotional forgetfulness. Men swipe through hundreds of profiles every week, and unless something truly stands out, they simply move on and forget. Research even shows that in casual dating, men tend to forget emotional details of short-term connections within months, unless something meaningful or unique happened. So the real question is, how do you become that meaningful presence? How do you create a connection that lasts beyond the moment? And why does this matter even more for older women? Let's be honest, there's a narrative in the dating world that favors youth. Older women are often told to lower their expectations, to settle, or to accept less. That mindset is wrong, but it still causes many women to shrink themselves, to avoid being bold, to tone down their personality, and to stop doing what once made them magnetic. Here's the truth. What makes a woman unforgettable has nothing to do with age. It's all about how she makes a man feel about himself when he's with her. Emotional memory is built through strong feelings. Moments of excitement, challenge, reflection, or intensity are what stay. Not quiet presence, but emotional impact. Now let's get into the three things that make a woman unforgettable. Number 1, she reflects his ambition, not his lifestyle. A woman who connects with his drive, even if she lives differently, becomes unforgettable. Men are wired to connect deeply with purpose. When he sees that she has goals, passions, or something that fuels her, he feels admiration. It's not about being the same. It's about understanding what drives him. When a woman speaks with clarity and excitement about her own goals, it makes her more attractive long-term. Not because she fits into his life, but because she has built her own. It creates a powerful thought in his mind. She understands me. She respects ambition. I can grow with her. So don't hide your achievements. Share your goals. Talk about what excites you, whether it's fitness, business, creativity, or helping others. If it matters to you, it will matter to him. Number 2, she disarms him with honest vulnerability. Most people hide behind masks, especially while dating. But a woman who speaks her truth calmly and without apology stands out. When she owns her feelings without drama or manipulation, it creates a strong emotional connection. Instead of saying, "I'm fine," she admits, "That actually hurt more than I expected." Instead of pretending to be okay with something casual, she says, "I want something real. If you don't, I respect that, but that's not for me." That kind of honesty builds trust and makes her unforgettable. It's not about oversharing. It's about being real. A man remembers the woman who made him feel safe enough to be himself. A simple way to practice this is to express feelings clearly. "I feel this when this happens because of this reason." Keep it simple, honest, and calm. Number 3, she inspires growth by making him reflect. The most unforgettable woman doesn't criticize. She challenges him in a way that makes him think. She asks meaningful questions. She notices patterns. She sees parts of him he hasn't fully understood yet. For example, she might say, "You seem happiest when you talk about that. Why don't you do it more?" Or, "You say you don't want a relationship, but you light up around people who care. Have you noticed that?" This isn't therapy. It's awareness, and most men rarely experience it. Deep, growth-focused conversations stay in a man's memory longer than anything else. They shape how he sees himself. Instead of trying to impress him, try to understand him. Ask better questions. What do people usually misunderstand about you? If fear wasn't a factor, what would you be doing right now? You don't need to fix him. Just see him clearly and help him see himself. Let's recap. There are countless beautiful and kind women out there. But the ones who stay in a man's mind do three things. They reflect his ambition, showing they have purpose too. They speak with honest vulnerability, staying real and grounded. They inspire growth, helping him understand himself better. And none of this has anything to do with age or trying to be younger. This is about emotional intelligence, confidence, and the courage to show up as your true self. Because in the end, the most unforgettable woman is the one who makes a man feel something deep about himself, about life, and about love. So if you're an older woman watching this, understand this clearly. You already have everything you need. It's not about perfection. It's about being real in a powerful way. And that's what stays with him forever. Thanks for watching and subscribing. Please like, comment and share if you want to keep these videos coming.